Welcome to my channel.
For today's video, I'm gonna topic about the second elimination of Street Woman Fighter 2. The first eliminated group was Subakill. A lot of their fans were very sad with the result, but it is part of the competition. And now Deep and Dab was the second eliminated group. In the latest episode of A Street Woman Fighter 2, which aired on October 3rd, we witnessed the Mega Crew Mission performances by Lady Bounce, Wolflow, and BB. Along with the announcement of the crew that would be eliminated next. The Mega Crew Mission results revealed 1 million securing the first place, followed by Jam Republic in second place, and Mannequin, Lady Bounce, and BB following closely behind. Wolflow and Deep and Dab, unfortunately, received the lowest scores and faced off in an intense elimination battle. Subakill had previously been eliminated in the K-pop deathmatch mission, so all eyes were on which crew would be the second to exit the competition. The showdown between Wolflow and Deep and Dab was fierce and lasted until the 7th round. Throughout the battle, fellow dancers cheered loudly and showed their enthusiastic support. In the end, Wolflow emerged victorious with a 4-3 score against Deep and Dab, securing their spot in the competition. As Deep and Dab's elimination was confirmed, their leader, Anemone, tearfully expressed her gratitude, saying, "I want to express how honored I am to have been a part of this competition with my fellow Wolflow team members. Initially scared, I eventually had a lot of fun and learned many valuable lessons. I have so much love for my team. Thank you all." Anemone also took a moment to address her past with 1 million, a crew she had devoted a decade to but left due to an unpleasant incident. She shared, "I believe I can finally let go of 1 million, where I spent the most passionate years of my 20s. I want to express my gratitude for the past 10 years." In response, Leah Kim, the leader of 1 million, said, "You did exceptionally well. You worked incredibly hard." Leah Kim then approached Anemone and shared a heartfelt hug, creating a touching and warm moment.